Hi everyone! Today I'll be showing you how you can make a cool mesh design using an alternative to a square knot. Before we get started, I want to let you all know that I recently released my brand new macrame guides. There's a lot of great information inside these guides, so please check out the link in the description to learn more. Now, let's get started. Start by attaching 6 ropes to your dowel rod with a lark's head knot. I've gone ahead and tied 2 knots to save a little bit of time in this tutorial. So to tie our square knot alternative, I'm going to start by tying half of a right-facing square knot. So I take the side on the far right and cross it over the 2 cords in the middle to form a loop. Then I take the side on the left over the right cord, send it behind the 2 cords in the middle, and then pull it up through that loop. And I pull it tight. Now, when I finish my square knot, I'm going to tie it behind the 2 cords in the middle. So this means I'm going to take the side on the left behind the 2 cords in the middle. Then I'm going to send that right cord over the left, behind the 2 in the middle, and up through the loop. And I pull it tight. And that is all there is to it. So now I'm just going to repeat the same knot one more time. Just like that. Now we're going to come down below and work on a second row. This time using an alternating knot. So I'm going to leave off the 2 cords here on the far left and take the next 2 cords. And then I'm going to take the 2 cords next to that from the other knot. So using these 4 cords, I just tied the exact same knot. Now I take the next 4 cords and repeat. Just like that. And now you can come back down and you can either make another row of 3 knots, or you can kind of make it go inwards like a triangle and make one more knot in the middle, alternating that pattern. So I'm going to do one more knot here in the middle. So I just take the 2 cords towards the right from this square knot and the 2 cords towards the left from this one. And I just repeat the same knot pattern. This is a very fun alternative to your standard square knot with just a slight variation in how you form the knot. You guys can use this pattern in all kinds of designs. You can do it in wall hangings or maybe a mesh bag or a hammock or anything like that. Of course, you can make this design bigger by just adding more ropes across your dowel rod for the design. Just make sure you always are using even numbers so you have 2 ropes per knot. So I hope you guys found this video helpful and inspiring, and thank you so much for watching.